sausage without the stamp. What do you mean?
Hampstead wasn't good enough for you, was it? You had to go pouncing off to Barnsley.
Nobody expects the Spanish Inquisition. Hello, Polly.
Always look on the bright side.
I think the clever thing was we waited till the demand died down.
Always look on the light side.
People want to see the old hits, but we don't want to do them in a predictable way.
There's something you forgot.
We have got another title, 2 down, 4 to go.
When you're feeling in the...
I think you can expect comedy, music, and a tiny bit of ancient sex.
Say them all, say them all, say them all. Always look on the bright side of life. Come on.
But we will be filming it, and we will try and flog it later.
I put on women's clothing and hang around in bars.